In this video, I'll show you how you can put music on a USB drive to play in your car. Now the first thing you need to do is plug in your USB drive. Once you've done that, go to the File Explorer at the bottom here, then scroll down and find this PC. Here you'll see your USB drive. You can double click on it, and what I would do is back up and remove every file that you've got on the drive currently. Of course, if you want to right click and copy any files, you can back them up to your computer by pasting them. I'm going to delete all of these current files. The next thing you need to do is go back to this PC, and here where you see your USB drive, you want to right click it, and it's good practice to click Format, and you want to change the file system here from exFAT to FAT32. FAT32 is going to be the only file system that works inside of your car, so if you were having issues before, this is the reason. Change it to FAT32 and click Start, and then click OK. This will format your drive and remove any of the data, so just make sure you've got it backed up. Now we can go ahead and find the music tracks we want to paste on. So I'm going to leave this window open, and we'll click inside of our USB drive. What we can also do is right click on File Explorer at the bottom, and then click it once more, click File Explorer. Then I can go and find the music tracks. For me, my music tracks are on my desktop and they're in a folder. So we need to get to the music tracks. We can then highlight all of them. You can then right click them and click copy. Then go back to the USB drive. So again, that is in this PC, your USB drive. You then want to make sure, again, there's nothing in it, and then right click and click paste. Once you've done that and you've got all of your songs on there, go to the upwards arrow in the bottom right click on your USB drive, then click eject on your USB drive. You can safely remove it and now play them in your car.